Welcome to CSS 201 Intermediate CSS. In this course, we'll be tackling bigger and more complicated pieces of CSS. That means you should already have a basic understanding of CSS already. In this course, we're going to stretch our minds a little bit more and look at things like outline versus borders, offsetting elements with specialized positioning, looking at advanced selectors, exploring pseudo-selectors, pseudo-elements, gradients, transitions, animations. Hi, I'm Caleb Tallene. I teach over 300,000 students how to code worldwide and have been making websites for well over 20 years. I have worked with folks like the Arctic Research Foundation, NASA, and Mozilla, along with 2 top-tier web development firms across the globe. Once again, my name is Caleb Tallene, and welcome to CSS 201.